Welcome to our video on eco-friendly car wash services. Today, we'll explore various resources to help you clean your car without harming the environment. First, let's dive into some essential books. The Waterless Car Wash Bible by John E. Dunn offers a comprehensive guide to waterless car care techniques and products. For those interested in making their own eco-friendly car wash products, the Natural Soap book by Susan Miller-Cabbage provides detailed instructions on natural soap making. Podcasts are another great resource. The Green Gab covers a wide range of sustainability topics, including eco-friendly car washing techniques. YouTube is full of helpful tutorials. Check out Waterless Car Wash: How to Wash Your Car Without a Hose by Chris Fix for a step-by-step guide. If you're looking for eco-friendly car wash products, companies like Green Earth Technologies and Better Life offer a variety of options, including waterless wash and wax. For those who prefer structured learning, Udemy offers a course on waterless car wash techniques, providing a comprehensive guide to this eco-friendly method. Thank you for watching. We hope these resources help you adopt eco-friendly car wash practices. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sustainable living tips.